Hi, I'm Chris Fulco, president of St. Joseph's Collegiate Institute, and I'm here with Principal Jim Spillman, class of '95. And we want to thank you for coming to our fall open house this past weekend to take a tour of our campus and to learn more about our unique LaSallian mission.
We hope that during your visit to our open house, you were able to get a glimpse of all that St. Joe's has to offer your son, academically, socially, and spiritually. Our educational program has rightly earned its reputation as one of the top schools in the region, and in the years to come, we will continue to evolve to meet the ever-changing needs of the young men who are entrusted to our care. A LaSallian school like ours is built on the relationships that develop each day in our classrooms and hallways, between our teachers and our students. In the months ahead, we look forward to developing a relationship with your son as he continues his transition into high school.
On top of our top-notch academics and our college preparation, we provide a welcoming, challenging, and inspiring high school environment that encourages students to become men of integrity and faith. If you liked what you saw this past weekend at Open House, I encourage you to reach out to me, Principal Spillman, or our admissions team to learn more about the application process. Thanks so much for visiting us here at St. Joe's, and we look forward to seeing you on campus soon as a new Marauder family.